as you know, we love doing our little travel videos, but then Corona came along and pretty much grounded everything.
So in order to stay creative and having him being a crazy pop collector, we decided to do something a little bit different that we've never really tried before.
So, disclaimer, we are not animators, just fellow quarantiners. So hopefully it's not too bad to look at the animations. Good luck.
Mr. Corleone, please, if I can take you to my factory, I can show you the cake that we'll be making for your daughter's wedding.
What kind of cake are we talking about?
A chocolate wedding cake made from our fine...
I like the thought of ganache inside.
Of course, a wedding cake made from our finest chocolate with a chocolate ganache.
When you say ganache, what kind of chocolate we're talking about?
I like the thought of white chocolate pops.
A white chocolate ganache.
Naturally, a wedding cake made from our finest chocolate with our white
And
chocolate...
raspberries.
Raspberries?
White chocolate and raspberries.
Please, let me take you to my factory.
How big?
The cake? The cake would be enormous.
No, the raspberries.
Yeah, you don't want the raspberries too big. It's going to overpower the white chocolate.
If we can go to my factory, I can show you. And could you please let go of my Oompa Loompa?
Oompa. Of course, Mr. Wonka. We're not violent men. Polly, let's go to your factory. No, this is non-essential. Please, stay home.
Who's this guy? Listen, old man, don't make me whack you.
Santino, my friend, I need you to step aside. No, you shall not pass. I feel I need to make you an offer that you cannot.
No!
Like I said, you shall not pass. People, stay home. Don't make me turn you into a chicken.
So this is what we get up to when we can't travel. Subscribe for more fun and check out these earlier videos.